Once a celebrated figure in Kenyan comedy, Desagu, who earned millions from his viral YouTube videos and brand endorsements, now faces a harsh reality. Reports indicate the comedian has hit rock bottom financially, triggering a severe bout of depression that has left fans concerned about his well-being. Desagu's recent YouTube activity reflects the shift in his fortunes. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, his videos regularly attracted millions of views, providing him with a stable income. Today, however, his uploads struggled to reach 50,000 views, drastically impacting his earnings. With few brand partnerships left, Desagu now relies on modestly paid advertisements on his WhatsApp status, which barely cover his expenses. A few days ago, Desagu posted a cryptic message on Facebook hinting at feelings of hopelessness and expressing well wishes to his wife and children. The post quickly gained traction and alarmed fans before Desagu deleted it, later reassuring followers that he was okay and urging them not to worry. Despite this, concerns about his mental health persisted. The situation took a worrying turn when a good Samaritan, Mwalimu Francis Njiriri, shared a distressing account. Njiriri posted that he encountered Desagu along the Thika Ngoingwa Mangu Road, where the comedian appeared confused and disoriented. According to Njiriri, Desagu was wandering down the middle of the road, seemingly oblivious to the traffic and appearing intoxicated. This morning at around 9:40 a.m., I saw a young man walking dangerously in the middle of the road and concerned by the vehicles honking at him. To my surprise, it was Desagu. With the help of passerby, Njiriri managed to escort Desagu safely off the road and took him to hospital level 5, where a psychiatric Dr. Catherine attended to him. He was not in his right mind, speaking incoherently and visibly distressed. Thankfully, we managed to get him the help he needed, Njiriri added, expressing gratitude to those who assisted. Desagu's condition has left Kenyans speculating about the causes behind his sudden downturn. Many wonder how one of Kenya's highest paid YouTubers could end up in such a predicament. Some attribute his struggles to financial mismanagement or alcohol dependency, while others suspect mental health challenges. One fan, Dr. George Mayo, commented, "It's difficult to adjust when you are used to a comfortable life, then suddenly have no gigs to pay your bills, especially with a family to support." End of quote. Another, Kamau KE, suggested that friends might have tried helping him in private. People blame witchcraft, but alcoholism seems to be bigger issue. End of quote. Ladies and gentlemen, what is your view concerning this story?